Hardin Valley location. Immaculate one owner, former model home. Enjoy rocking on the front porch. Welcoming 2-story entry west/bright open floor plan. Great room west/fireplace for those cozy evenings, and built-in bookcases, opens to spacious kit that's sure to delight any cook. Oversized pantry, stainless steel appliances remain. Plenty of workspace west/granite tops and tile backsplash. Island offers of eating or prep area in add to the bkfast area and formal dining room west/wainscoting. Crown molding throughout, wood floors except bedroom, bath. Ensuite is spacious west/2 walk-in closet, separate shower, dual vanities and relaxing tub. Split bedroom design west/hall bath for bedrooms 2 and 3. Fourth bedroom or bonus west/closet, xtra including floored attic. Easy entertaining west/private back patio, pergola and built-in fire pit on level yard west/irrigation. County taxes.